some really weird shit. It like cut out.
It cut out?
And then I went to second. Don't know why. And then I drove. And then like the next, because it was like where you go first quite quickly between each other.
Yeah.
Like the corner where Arlen rolled first. The corner where he went off.
Yeah.
Second, and then back to first in the other one. So it was before I went to the bit where he went off first. It just cut out in first at like, I don't know, 4 or 5 grand.
Does it have a check engine light?
No. I wonder if because I'm doing dumb shit with my feet, there's like a engine protection thing where it thinks I'm about to put it in a gear and like money shift it or something. Because I was like downshifting out and it
was okay.
Then it was fine. Like immediately after that, I was like, that was fucking
still
weird.
Reeling because it was cleared the code, so it was still like, it was still, the revs were all over the place when I was at the line.
I swear it did that once when I was testing it on a pool too.
Right.
And I thought it happened to us once. I thought when we were driving it. I don't know. Drove great otherwise. I don't know. Like,
see if it stops. I don't know.
It just every so often it'll just do it.
Right.
I haven't figured out why yet.
Weird.
But drove good though.